A federal judge has blocked a COVID vaccine mandate for employees of federal contractors. On December 7th, a federal judge in the state of Georgia issued a stay that blocked the vaccine mandate for federal contractors nationwide. Also on hold, the OSHA large employer and the healthcare worker vaccine requirements. It's being called a large political fight. All of these vaccine mandates issued by the Biden administration were blocked by federal judges that were appointed by the Trump administration. This is what the requirement would have done. Back in September, the Biden administration issued an executive order that required federal contractors and subcontractors to comply with workplace safety guidelines developed by a federal task force. That task force issued guidelines that new, renewed, or extended contracts include a clause requiring employees to be fully vaccinated by January 18th of 2022. And in came a lawsuit that challenged that task force requirement. They said a collection of states and a builders and contractors association did not want to follow those rules, and the federal judge in Georgia agreed. He did acknowledge the severity of the virus and the deadly nature of COVID-19 across the globe. But he said this executive order and the following requirements worked as a regulation of public health that exceeded the authority of the Biden administration. Well, in a statement, the Biden administration said, the reason we propose these requirements is we know that they work, and we are confident in our ability legally to make these happen across the country. Some of the employers and some of these federal contractors actually agree. They, including major airlines, said they're going to continue their own vaccine requirement for their employees, no matter what the federal requirement is or what the courts say. Lockheed Martin, for example, said they are on track for more than 95% compliance with their own vaccine rule for their own employees. The reason they gave is they want to get back to business as usual. They think that these vaccines are necessary to maintain operations. We saw similar comments like this in the OSHA rule and in the healthcare worker rule, where even though the mandate was blocked nationwide, employers still were requiring vaccinations of their staff. If you are looking for a vaccine or a booster close to you, vaccines.gov is the place to search. We also give you more information on the mandate for federal contractors and that lawsuit in the description below, along with the source of some of our examples.